guess it changed my outlook of what I want to do in the future. So as it has an MBA module, we had like project management classes, accounting, finance. So it showed me that I just don't want to stick just to the law, but I would like to have a managerial position too. So I don't know if just a manager in general or maybe like a legal manager in a company. So it has like opened up the doors in that way. We had a Chinese class and I really liked it a lot. So when I was thinking of what to do for the independent study, I said maybe something with China. So after looking at different titles, as I'm Peruvian, I thought about the free trade agreement between China and Peru. Before, I was a lawyer in Peru in a mining company. I actually did a lot of international negotiation of contracts, but I didn't have a real clue about, for example, common law. So I did it just out of basic like logic notions, but IE has given me the tools to actually know how to negotiate these contracts, for example. So I think I will be a much better lawyer and, as I said before, maybe even a manager.
I look at IE because it was very prestigious. So, well, I was working in China and then I wanted to come back. I was a lawyer before going to China, but I was doing business there. So I wanted to come back to the profession of a lawyer. So that's why I was thinking of a master's in law, and then I saw it in IE, and I didn't want to do a Spanish LLM. I wanted to do an international LLM, so have a more international background, and hopefully then that I would be able to go back to China and apply all the knowledge that I would get at IE. And I learned things that I didn't know before, especially things from other countries, law in the US, and then foreign investments that you don't see that much in Spanish universities here. Then I learned stuff about, for example, Islamic finance, that for me I found it very interesting, or about the economy in Africa, things like that that you wouldn't cover if you are not surrounded by the best. During the master I learned more to work in work groups. That is something that I teach you. How to deal with your classmates and then get projects together.
The Mood is an international competition, an international commercial arbitration competition. The Mood in Vienna was one of the greatest experiences of my life. It was extremely fun, a lot of hard work. We put in a lot of hours, just running arguments, flipping arguments, writing our speeches, practicing our speeches, but it was totally worth it. I met a lot of incredible people, and the whole experience, it actually made me more close to a lawyer. Well, I'm very excited about my exchange. I am going to San Francisco in August. I'm going to be there until December at UC Hastings. Well, to describe my before, during and after would be student, student, student. I was a student before I came to IE. I graduated last June. I was a student at IE, obviously, and I still am now. And I'm going to be a student after IE because I'm going on exchange. But I do believe that I've grown a lot, at least in the during part. The people that I've met, the things that I've experienced, the hard work that IE has put us through, it has definitely made me a better professional and I think a better person.